done. Now what does he do, Mom?
Why? Because why?
Because I want to go home now.
You do. You don't like hunting, do you? No. Would you rather go horseback riding? You would.
I want you to Lord of the Church. It doesn't go home in that bad after then.
Go home and not come back ever again. Oh boy.
Only the bigger heart has done that.
Are we supposed to be whispering? Yeah. Lord help me.